What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela Altieri. If this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today I did a soft glam look. Here's a close-up. There's very little highlight in this look. Mostly matte, neutral, chill, soft, glam. Self-explanatory. I used, again, the Tati Beauty palette. So if you're interested in the products I used and how I got the eyeshadow look, then let's get it. So for the base of this look, I definitely want to fill in my pores, of course, with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer. And I also want to do a little bit of highlighting under the foundation because I don't want to put on too much highlight once the base is powdered and set and everything like that. I want to have a nice smooth flawless base. I'm also going to use a combo of my Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. This is a little light, so I'm going to use this in my T-zone, like on my cheeks, down my nose, my forehead, my chin, and then the perimeter of my face with my Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation, because it'll just give me like my perfect tone for where I'm at right now. This is a nice matte foundation, but like skin-like, if that makes sense. And this is a lot more dewy, but you know, the mix will be nice and flawless, I hope. So I'm gonna put that on and I'll be right back. For concealer, first, I didn't mention what I use for liquid highlight underneath my foundation, but you can see it's a little, you know, little dew from within. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. It's a travel size. For concealer, I use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. It's a little bit more matte, even though my Makeup Forever is also matte, but I always use that. So I thought I'd switch it up today. Then for my under eye setting powder, this is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder from Charlotte Tilbury. I always use this powder to set my under eyes. It's amazing. There's a dent. I hit pan, y'all. I love this powder. Then for the rest of my face, I use the Magic Star setting powder from Jeffree Causemetics in Beige. And that's the skin so far. I have a little extra in my under eyes. Getting more out. Just to do a little bit of baking. I'm also going to add more powder when I start eyeshadow. But for now, it's too much. Now I need some warmth to the skin, so let me figure out what bronzer I'm gonna use. Okay, for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in Almond. This is a little bit warmer, so that's gonna add the warmth to my skin. And for a little bit of contour, I'm gonna use Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Deep Bronzer. Little bit of shading, contour the nose, the jawline. These two are matte products. This is a little bit more satiny, but it doesn't give like a glow or anything. I want the face matte, but like maybe like a satin matte. Yeah, satin matte. Then for blush, I'm going in with the Too Faced Natural Face Palette because I'm going to use Pink Sand down here for blush, just to give me a little bit more color on my cheeks, the apple of my cheeks, but nothing too shimmery. A lot of the bronzers I have are shimmery or satin, and I want to go as matte as possible for this soft glam look. So I'm gonna do that, probably come back with some baking, and yeah, let's get it. So I'm baking with my Jeffree Star powder. I don't like this to bake too long, so I'm gonna take my contour brush and just you know, brush that away, brush that away, just to clean, just clean up a little bit. And I'm gonna dust away my nose bake, I guess you could call it. Ooh, ooh. Now we can get into eyeshadow. I'm not done with the face yet, or the complexion, if you will, but I'm gonna jump into the eyes. And damn, I should do my eyebrows before making. Okay, for eyeshadow, going in with the Tati Beauty palette. I don't have eyebrows on yet, so I'm just gonna go on with my eyeshadow first. So if you didn't see my last video or my New Year's Eve glam video, I use this palette as well. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be showing you the brushes I use. I'm going to be showing you the brushes I use down here somewhere, and also the colors I pick. I'll be showing you the colors I use on the palette, and I'll also be saying what the color is and its formula down on the screen somewhere. So let's just do the eyes. Okay, we're gonna do something soft and glam, and probably mostly matte for my soft glam. Let's see what happens. Bye. Okay, so here I didn't put down a concealer to cut the crease before I put on this matte shadow, so later on you'll see I do put on concealer, which makes this particular eye, my right eye, look a little bit like not as good as the other one, so forget that. Okay, that's the eyes done for now, for mascara and all that. Right now for highlight, I'm gonna use my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, and I'm just gonna on the cheeks a little bit. Gives a nice glow to skin. Do you see that? Wow. On the nose, on the chin, Cupid's bow, forehead. Brings back a glow, but not a highlight, if that makes any sense. And before I put on mascara, I'm gonna put on my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm already almost done with this one, and this is like my 3rd bottle. So, here we go. What I like about the Morphe mist is that it doesn't give me additional glow, which most of my setting sprays are glow sprays. So I should invest in another one, but it just melts the makeup, so it's not necessarily dewy, but definitely like satin and, you know, blends well into one another. It takes away all the excess takes away all the excess powder, because I did put a lot of powder on. So this is skin. I'm gonna do my brows, put my hair down, and do the lips, and then we're done. Okay, I finished, and this is what happened. I used my Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara because it's easy to get off, and I'm wearing lashes, so it didn't really matter what mascara I was wearing. Put on Lily Lashes Luxe lashes. It was a kit, came with lash glue, don't know where that glue is. Put a little bit of Hank and Henry liner in Blickity Black just to cover up the lash line. Then on my upper lash line, I used Maybelline Tattoo Studio Bold Brown to tightline, and my lower lash line, I used Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Honey Dude. What else? My eyebrows, I actually used Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in Ebony and a Morphe pencil, micro brow pencil in Java, then Essence Make Me Brows in Brownie Brown. You know the deal, my regulars. For lips, I just lost the cat. This is my KKW Nude Lip Liner in Nude 2.5. Morphe Taunt Liquid Lipstick. And NARS Velvet Lip Glide in Stripped. So that's it. Okay, so that is the finished look. And here it is. Here it is. I'm very happy with this look. This is something similar to what I wore for Christmas Eve. Didn't take photographs. It came out really nice that day. But yeah, soft glam is a huge trend right now, so I decided to make a video on it, and I'm still loving to play with this Tati beauty palette. She's coming out with something new. Oh my god. Can't wait to see what it is. But yeah, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, hit the like button down below. Also comment down below what your favorite beauty trend is at the moment. I don't know if I'm really interested in soft glam because I love highlight, and the soft glam doesn't necessarily mean lots of highlighter, so you know, I love some dewy skin trends. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like me, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter. I link all my social media down below, and link my Macari down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Sunday. Yeah, thank you so much for the love and support that you've been giving me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Now ooh. Dun, 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 dun. There's an emergency. I'm watching Dexter right now.